Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the frost element in Crimson Desert. First things first, you need to complete 3 things before you get to this point. First, you need to complete the Spire of Ringing Truth. Second, you need to complete the Ether Rest puzzle. And lastly, you need to complete the Frostbitten Paradise puzzle. We have detailed videos for each puzzles in the channel, so please make sure to check it out. If you just finished the Frostbitten Paradise, then what you'll want to do is head to the Sky Bridge over there and activate it. Now use the air currents until you reach the final Sky Island with the teleporter. Once you're here, make your way to the main area and activate the circle switch at the entrance. Now all you need to do is get over to that area at the top, as you can see from where we're standing. Do a series of force palm jumps, glides, and aerial stab to reach it. Once you're here, grab the square piece and place it on top of the socket. Now aim your bow, light the tip of your arrow using the lamp over here, and shoot the socket and the square piece to thaw it out. After that's done, do a crouching force palm or a force current to place it in the socket. Now cling to the circular device above us, place yourself in the center, hold the resist, then do a force palm. Climb up to receive the artifact reward, and this should also unlock the frost element for you. You can now also proceed to the sky gate behind to go to the next set of islands. And that's how to get the frost element in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.